Good day. Today we are doing problem solving using the PSS method. So we're going to be looking at subtraction. So the key words that we use when we are subtracting is take away, minus, or less. PSS. P stands for picture, S stands for sum, and S stands for sentence. So we're going to do a word problem now. There are 10 cats on the mat. 4 cats ran away. How many cats are left? There are 10 cats on the mat. 4 cats ran away. How many cats are left? So you need to check which words tell you that we are subtracting. So for example, run away. It tells you that we are subtracting and how many cats are left. Left is the key word that tells us that we are subtracting. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cats ran away. So now we're going to do the sum. So it will be 10 minus 4 equals to, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cats are left. And then the sentence. So you're going to answer the question that says, how many cats are left? You're going to say, there are 6 cats left on the mat. Okay. Judy has 14 sweets. She eats 8 sweets. How many sweets are left? Judy has 14 sweets. She eats 8 sweets. How many sweets are left? So you're going to check which words tell you that we are subtracting. Eats. Because if you eat something, that means you are going to have less of it. And how many sweets are left? Left is the key word that tells us that we are subtracting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we are going to do our sum. 14 take away 8. 14 minus 8. We have 6 sweets left. So you're going to answer the question, how many sweets are left? Judy is left with 6 sweets. Good job. Good job. Well done. Well done. Thank you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.